Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. It is cold as fuck, so I'm on my way to a tiki bar with some nice flaming hot drinks. Buckle up, here we go. Alright, so it's really cold out. I'm on my way to a tiki bar. It's called Paradise Lost. They have some really interesting drinks, and I'm going to meet the cake dealer and two of our friends from Instagram. One guy's name's Herb. He goes by the Social Pause on his Instagram handle. And the other is Joanna. She goes by Joanna Lynn on her Instagram handle. They're both photographers, very talented. This place is offering a special barrel release of Myers rum, specifically made for Paradise Lost, the tiki bar. They use it in their drinks. You could get shots of it, shots in a beer. It looks like a really fun place. I've never been there before, so I'm excited to try it. This joint is up on 2nd Avenue near 5th Street. So I'm just taking Avenue D up, and what I'm gonna do is bust a left on 7th Street. That way I can come down to the place on 2nd Avenue. I love a good tiki bar. The drinks are always served in really cool, fancy mugs. Sometimes the drinks can be sweet, but if they're strong enough, that's all you need. So here's 7th Street. I'm gonna take a left here. Windy today. All right, just crossed over 1st Avenue. Gonna be making a left on 2nd Avenue, and it should be right on my left-hand side as I get to 5th Street. Taking this left. Man, really excited to see what this place is like. I've heard really good things. Here it is. Paradise Lost. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.
Did you get the snake handle? The free door?
I know who I need to take here.
Look at that glass.
Which drink is this?
I think it's the Mai Tai.
The Mai Tai? There it is.
Cinnamon everywhere.
Yeah.
I smell it. I smell
I don't know
it.
what happened or why.
There it is.
I thought like there was gonna be a whole dance happening. Dude, there's
Hiding
there's
the weapon.
mine.
We should get more napkins. For you.
Ribs. We got to do the pastrami
Those get lit on
musubi.
fire?
Yeah.
Can we?
and the
Can we?
sticks.
Can we also do the pastrami musubi?
Yeah, sure. And then one order of the shrimp sticks and the chicken sticks.
Chicken sticks, shrimp sticks, and pastrami musubi.
Yeah.
Guys, they smell good.
They do smell good. I just want a piece. I don't want.
That's pretty cool. Congratulations.
Are you still in
Hey,
this?
I'm gonna do it for like 1 or 2 more years, I think. Who comes up?
Okay. I mean, you don't.
But to love me is better than all things. If, under the night stars in the desert, thou presently burnest mine incense before, invoking law of willing spices, ye shall wear rich jewels.
They tell them to meet me.
Lead the way through the jungle. Man, those drinks were so good. I was surprised to see my friends run the place called Holy Ground Barbecue. They're basically serving up some of the barbecue food inside that bar. Those ribs were from Holy Ground. So I was excited about that. They were really good. The thigh skewers also really good, and the Spam musubi, usually made with Spam, they switched it out for pastrami to keep it nice in New York. So that's it, we did it. Paradise Lost, Tiki Bar, East Village. Excellent drinks, excellent food. Around the Hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.